lovely, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're tuning in. Today, I've got a few exciting work from home job opportunities to share with you. These are all entry level customer service roles with Foundever, perfect for those individuals that's looking to start their journey in the customer service industry or just looking for an entry level role. I do have some other exciting news. Once I hit 20K subscribers, I have decided that I'll be doing a laptop giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more details. Now, without further ado, we're going to jump into this first role, which is a seasonal position. So, for anyone that's looking for something quick or just some extra income for the holidays, they are currently looking for a customer service representative to be seasonal. You have to live within a 50-mile radius of one of the founders' on-site locations, which will be here. And these are all the states that they are located in. Some of your core responsibilities will consist of handling inbound customer service calls, able to understand and striving to meet or exceed expectations of the metrics for the customer service calls, drive customer service satisfaction through voice, chats, and email. So you won't be just on phones, you will be responding to customers via chat as well as email. You will also have ongoing training and skill development. Some of the other qualifications, you have to be comfortable being on camera 100% of the time. This also includes during training. So do keep in mind they do require you to be on camera, but you are able to work remote. You must pass a background check, have a high school diploma or GED, and must be at least 18 years or older. Like I said, this is an entry level role. The pay is $15 an hour. They have 100% paid professional training. They have an employee assistant program, employee discounts, and referrals. And this just a little more about the organization here. And you can click this video if you want to learn more about what the customer service role looks like on a daily basis. And you would have to take an assessment and you would click on here. And then we're going to move right along to the next role. And they're currently looking for an insurance customer service representative position. This does not state that it's seasonal. So this will be probably more so a full-time role. All your calls will be inbound calls only, so you will not be doing any cold calling, so you don't have to call out to individuals. They'll be calling in to you in regards to information and regarding their accounts. You will handle these inbound calls. You will drive customer satisfaction through chat and email communications. You will navigate through multiple systems and tools, and you will have ongoing training as well. Some of the qualifications, they would like you to have strong communication skills and the ability to navigate between screens while assisting the customers. You have to be a problem solver, eager to advance in your career, and enjoy working independently and with a team. You must be 18 years of age, a high school diploma, and must pass a background check and a drug screen. These are the states that they're currently hiring for. And for them, the company provides all the needed equipment. You may be asked to provide the second monitor, but they will provide the main equipment that is needed. This is a work at home position, so it will require you to have some minimums, which is home internet, and as well as candidates should guarantee high speed internet and ability to hardwire if needed. The pay is $13 an hour and upwards of $17 an hour. They do have paid training. They have medical, dental, vision, and wellness benefits, referral bonuses, employee discounts, and 401k, and they are military friendly. Last but not least, we have a healthcare customer service associate position that they're hiring for as well. This one you will be taking inbound calls as well. You would drive customer satisfaction through voice chat and email as well. And the qualifications are pretty much the same as for all the previous other roles. You will be just taking calls on a daily basis. You will not have to do any cold calling or upselling or anything in that nature. You just have to be able to handle those inbound calls, able to take chats, and as well as communicate via email. So I'm sure your communication skills via email need to be good. So written communications and verbal communication skills need to be up to par. And for this role, they pay $12 to $15 an hour. And these are the benefits that they have, as I stated in the previous role as well. And like I said, you can get more information. You could browse through the site just to kind of get acquainted with the organization to get more background on who they are. And then if those jobs were not of interest to you, you can always, do your own search on here. Search jobs either by your state. You can insert your state here. If you want to just put United States and, remote, you could do that as well. And right here on the location, it will say remote, any location, or it will say the state that they're hiring in, or it may say remote, any location. I just said that already. I do apologize. Or it'll say remote in a Pacific state. So, you all can apply. Make sure you take the assessment to apply. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email me or comment down below. Let's get to 20K so I can go ahead and give someone a laptop. I wish you all nothing but the best of luck. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.